Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today I will show you how to change your Outlook or Microsoft password. First, let's head over to Microsoft.com. Once you're here, click on the profile icon on the top right corner. Then click My Microsoft Account. Once you get to this page, you will probably get a pop-up. Just click X. Now click Change Password. Now just enter your current password, your new password, then re-enter your new password, and click Save. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.